Hi, I'd like to explain the timing belt and why timing belts should cost you more money than you think. I know, it doesn't sound fun, but I'm gonna tell you why. If you do it right, you literally save yourself having to go in later and do some other repair that happens. Here's a simple diagram with components laid out of a timing belt system on, let's say this could be a V6 or something like that, or a twin cam engine. All that doesn't really matter. But let's look at the components here that need to be replaced when a timing belt is done. Obviously we have the timing belt. We should get the tensioner here and the idler pulley in the kit, right? So we need to do those two, but we also have a water pump. And here's the water pump, this is the idler, and this is the tensioner. We have the water pump in here. If we don't do that, and this happened to me early on in my career, I didn't do that. I did a timing belt for a gal, and guess what? It leaked. Now where are we at? I didn't do it. I should have told her, right? We recommended, I should at least recommended it. It leaked later. Now she had to buy the pump, and I had to go back and do the job a second time. I didn't like that, right? And I did it for free that one time. I stopped doing that. I'm gonna tell you need it, and if you don't do it, and I tell you need it, and it goes bad, it's on you. But if it costs $400 to take this belt off, put it back together, and you do the belt, and then this leaks, there's another $400, that's $800. Then the tensioner starts to make noise, and if it doesn't freeze up and blow up the engine, which these things can do, that's another $400, and here's another $400. So, it's cheaper just to get the kit, buy the pump, and do this all right at one time. You'll get your coolant replaced, you'll get seals that are in here, also should be done behind these camshafts and crankshafts. If at all possible, those seals, that's actually the 5th time. So literally, the best bang for your buck is to pay one time, pay for the extra labor to put these things in while you're in there, which is insignificant considering the total cost, and buy those parts, the seals and the pulleys, and that will make it go right.